Today in this video I show you how to fix Facebook professional mode not showing. If your Facebook professional mode is not showing, then you can use these methods. First is to update your Facebook app. Open Play Store. Now click on search and type Facebook. Click on this search icon. Now open Facebook and see if you have any update on Facebook. And if you find the update, then update your Facebook app. Now if you don't have any update, then you can try this method, that is clear app cache. Go back and find Facebook app. Now press and hold your Facebook app. Click on app information. Now open clear data. You can see this clear cache. Click on it. Tap on OK. Now check if your issue is fixed or not. You can also try this method, that is unlock profile. You can see if I open my Facebook profile and click on three dots, my turn on professional mode option is grey out. If you also find this type of problem or your professional mode option is not showing, then you can try to unlock your Facebook profile by tapping on this unlock profile. Now click on this unlock and then click on unlock your profile. Now if I click on OK and then click on three dots, you can see turn on professional mode is showing. If you still cannot find the option, it may not be available on your country. So this is how you can fix Facebook professional mode not showing. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.